Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video, we're going to be talking about box and whisker plots. And box and whisker plots show the spread of data by displaying 5 key numbers. So in a set of data, it will display the lowest and highest values, the median of that set of data, and something called the lower and upper quartiles. So basically what a box and whisker plot does is it splits the data into 4 sections, and the width of those sections can allow you to make statements about the spread of your data. Okay, so you'll see in the example here, we've got the lowest and the highest values, the median, and then something called the interquartile range, which is the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile. It's a bit like the range, which is the difference between highest and lowest value, but between the upper and lower quartiles. It's actually how spread out your middle 50% of the data is. So let's have a look at an example then. We've got a box and whisker plot here, which talks about daily flight departures. And the question says, find the lowest value, the upper quartile and the median. And then finally, we're going to calculate the interquartile range. Okay, so the lowest value here then is the value that you see in yellow. And according to the scale, that is 35. The upper quartile is in brown. It's at the end of the box, which is 70. And the median is the middle value in the box in blue, which is 55. Okay, so now we're going to calculate the interquartile range. And remember that interquartile range is the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile. The upper quartile we've already worked out is 70. And the lower quartile is the number in purple at the other end of the box, which is 40. So we've got 70 minus 40, which gives me an interquartile range of 30. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, and don't forget the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.